Well, hey there, friends. Glad you found your way here. There's something peaceful about a trail like this. The way it curves just out of sight. Like it's got a secret to share. Every step invites you to slow down, to breathe, to wonder what's waiting just ahead. Thought I'd open a pack right here, at the bend. Because sometimes, it's good to pause before the next part of the journey. Oh, Paris. Little forest buddy just doing its thing. No. And even when things don't shine, they still belong. Not everything beautiful sparkles. Sometimes it's enough just to be real, to be here. Thanks for walking this little bend in the path with me. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, as always, may your packs be full of wonder.